How to use AI to launch your product on Amazon in 2025. Are you one of those sellers on Amazon who are still doing everything manually, spending countless hours on tasks that AI could handle in minutes? If you're struggling to compete in Amazon's crowded marketplace, watch this. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to launch your product on Amazon in 2025, giving you an unfair advantage over your competition. I will walk you through 7 game-changing ways AI can transform your Amazon launch strategy. And I promise you this, it will be broken down to clear, actionable steps that you can follow regardless of your technical expertise. I've heard this millions of times. I'm completely overwhelmed by everything I need to do for the launch. There are so many moving parts and I just don't have enough hours in the day. This is way more common than you expect. Amazon product launches require meticulous attention to dozens of different elements, from keyword research to listing optimization, from PPC campaigns management to competitor analysis. What caught my attention was how many repetitive, time-consuming tasks sellers are still doing manually. Tasks that today's AI tools can handle faster, cheaper, and often better than humans. So I've put together this comprehensive guide on how to use AI throughout your Amazon product launch. Stick around because these strategies could be the difference between a failed launch and a wildly successful one. Here are the 5 key ways AI can revolutionize your Amazon product launch. First, using AI for market research and product validation. This isn't just about finding products with demand. It's about using AI to uncover hidden opportunities your competitors are missing. Here's why it works. AI can analyze thousands of products, reviews, and market trends in minutes, identifying gaps in the market that would take humans weeks to discover. Tools like Helium 10's black box combined with GPT models can extract meaningful patterns from market data and predict which product features will actually drive sales. Let me show you how this works. Let's say you're considering launching a yoga mat. Traditional research might show you basic metrics like average price and monthly sales, but when you feed this data into an AI analysis tool, you might discover that while the market seems saturated, there's actually an underserved segment looking for eco-friendly yoga mats with alignment guides, information that's buried in thousands of customer reviews. The AI can analyze sentiment across thousands of reviews to tell you exactly what features customers love and hate about existing products. This gives you a clear roadmap for product development that's based on actual customer needs. Number 2, you can successfully use AI to create fully optimized product listings. Creating an Amazon listing that converts is both an art and science. But AI tools have gotten incredibly good at this in 2025. Let me show you exactly how this works. The process starts with your basic product information. You input your product type, key features, and target audience. The AI then analyzes the top 100 best-selling products in your category to identify patterns in their listings. Modern AI listing tools like Listing Optimizer AI, Helium 10 Cerebro integrated with GPT-4, and specialized Amazon listing generators can do a lot. They can generate keyword-rich titles that precisely balance search optimization with readability. These AIs understand that while you need keywords, a title that reads like keyword stuffing will hurt your conversion rate. It can create bullet points that address specific customer pain points. The AI identifies the most common customer concerns in your niche by analyzing thousands of reviews, then structures your bullets to directly address these exact issues. AI tools can write detailed product descriptions that boost conversions by using persuasive language patterns found in top-performing listings. AI knows exactly when to emphasize durability versus convenience, or when premium materials matter more than ease of use, based on your specific product category. AI can also suggest backhand search terms that customers actually use but might not appear in your visible listing content. The AI can identify seasonal search variations, common misspellings, and related terms that human sellers often miss. It can optimize your listing for mobile viewing, which is crucial since over 70% of Amazon shopping now happens on mobile devices. AI can help you create A+ content that strategically highlights your product's unique selling proposition with the optimal balance of text and visual elements. The difference is huge. In our tests across multiple categories, AI-optimized listings typically see around a 30% increase in conversion rates compared to manually written ones. In highly competitive niches like beauty products and kitchen gadgets, the improvements can be even more significant. But why does AI perform so much better? It comes down to data analysis at scale. While even the most experienced seller might have launched dozens of products, the AI has analyzed hundreds of thousands of listings and their performance metrics. For example, when writing bullet points, the AI knows that for electronics, starting with durability features increases conversion by 18%, while for kitchen products, leading with ease of cleaning boosts sales by 23%. This level of category-specific insight is simply impossible to achieve manually. The AI also understands exactly how to implement Amazon's best practices without triggering any of their algorithmic penalties. It knows the precise keyword density that boosts ranking without looking like keyword stuffing, and it can craft persuasive copy that sells benefits without making claims that might get your listing flagged. Best of all, creating these optimized listings now takes minutes rather than days. You can generate multiple versions, A/B test them, and continue refining based on performance data, creating a continuous improvement cycle that manual methods simply can't match. Number 3. Using AI to create stunning product imagery. This might sound futuristic, but AI-generated products images are revolutionizing Amazon listings in 2025. Let me walk you through how you can use this technology to gain a massive advantage. Begin with either a basic product photo or even just a detailed text description of your product. Advanced AI tools like Midjourney 6, DALL-E 4, and Amazon's own Product Vision AI can then transform these inputs into a complete image package for your listing. Today's AI imaging technology can create main product images that perfectly meet Amazon's requirements. Crisp, high-resolution photos on pure white backgrounds with perfect lighting and angles that highlight your product's best features. These can be lifestyle images showing your product in realistic use scenarios. For example, if you're selling a kitchen gadget, the AI can generate images of it being used in modern kitchens with various demographic representations to appeal to your entire customer base. AI can generate infographics that visually highlight key features and benefits. These infographics can incorporate your brand colors and fonts for a consistent brand presentation across all images. Size comparison images are also important for your listing. They help customers understand dimensions in relation to common objects, reducing return rates due to size misconceptions. Many AI tools are capable of visually comparing your product to whatever object you want. This also includes the before-after demonstration images that show the product's effects or benefits. This can save you tons of money from seasonal photography. Imagine your product in a Thanksgiving setting, then Christmas, then Valentine's Day, all generated in minutes if not seconds. You can also use them for competitive comparison charts that visually demonstrate your product's advantages over competitors. The quality is now virtually indistinguishable from professional photography. In blind tests, customers and even photography professionals couldn't consistently identify which images were AI generated and which were photos. What makes this particularly powerful is the ability to test different concepts. Instead of committing to an expensive photo shoot only to discover the images don't convert well, you can generate and test multiple image concepts in a single day. The data shows that listings with AI-optimized image sets see an increasing conversion rate. Why? Because the AI can generate images that specifically address common customer hesitations. If review analysis shows customers are concerned about durability, the AI can create images that emphasize structural strength. If size concerns are common, it can generate multiple perspective images that clearly communicate dimensions. Just remember to follow Amazon's image guidelines. Your main image still needs to show only the product on a white background with no text overlays or props. But for your additional images, AI now offers unlimited creativity and possibilities that were previously available only to sellers with 5-figure photography budgets. Number 4. Leverage AI for pricing strategy. Pricing is one of the most critical elements of a successful Amazon launch, and AI gives you a massive advantage here. Let me show you how sophisticated AI pricing tools are transforming how sellers approach this crucial aspect of their business. Today's AI pricing technology doesn't just look at competitor prices. It analyzes dozens of variables simultaneously to optimize your pricing strategy throughout your product lifecycle. Modern AI pricing systems like Aura, SalesSnap, and Repricer Express with AI integration can create a dynamic launch pricing strategy that starts with penetration pricing to gain initial traction. Then it gradually optimizes towards profit maximization as your organic ranking improves. They can monitor not just direct competitors, but their inventory levels, shipping times, and even review velocity to determine when you can safely raise prices without losing the buy box. AI can automatically implement time-of-day pricing adjustments when conversion rates are historically higher. For example, if your product category sees higher conversion rates in evenings, the AI might increase the price by 3 to 5% during those hours. Using AI, you can implement day-of-week pricing strategies based on historical purchase patterns in your specific category. You can also execute seasonal pricing strategies that align with your inventory management goals, raising prices when stock is limited during high-demand periods, or lowering prices to increase velocity during slower seasons. They can also calculate the exact price elasticity of your product by running micro tests with small price variations or predict when competitors are likely to run out of stock, allowing you to temporarily increase prices when competition is low. What makes these tools particularly powerful is their ability to run complex simulations. Before making any change, the AI can simulate how different pricing scenarios will affect your organic ranking on Amazon, conversion rate, profit margins, advertising efficiency, and long-term customer lifetime value. This means you can find the perfect balance between competitive pricing and healthy margins, something that's nearly impossible to do manually, even for the most experienced sellers. For a successful product launch, the AI typically recommends starting with a more aggressive pricing strategy to build sales velocity and reviews, then gradually increasing the price as your listing gains authority. This dynamic approach is far more effective than the static pricing most sellers use. Number 5. Create AI-powered PPC campaigns. Amazon PPC is where many launches succeed or fail, and it's also where AI shows some of its most impressive results. Let me break down exactly how AI is revolutionizing PPC management for Amazon sellers. Traditional PPC management involves manual keyword research, bid setting, and periodic campaign adjustments. AI-powered PPC turns into a dynamic, continuously optimized system that operates with a level of precision humans simply cannot match. Tools like Perpetual AI, Metrics, and Amazon's own machine learning PPC systems can do amazing things for your PPC. Start with a seeding phase, where the AI identifies high potential keywords by analyzing your listing, top competitors, and customer search patterns, often discovering valuable long-tail keywords you would never find manually. Then create a structured campaign architecture automatically with the optimal mix of sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display ads based on your specific product category and launch stage. Implement a dynamic bidding strategy that automatically adjusts bids based on time of day, day of week, device type, geographic performance, and competitor activity. You can continuously test different ad creatives and automatically shift budget toward the highest performing variations. AI tools can identify and target the specific ASIN competitors that represent your biggest opportunity for market share gains. They can also calculate the perfect ACoS target based on your product's margin structure and life cycle stage. With the help of AI, you can allocate budget across branded category and competitor targeting to maximize both immediate sales and long-term organic ranking improvements. Best part about AI for PPC is that it gets smarter over time. While human managers might check and adjust campaigns weekly, AI tools make micro adjustments hundreds of times per day, constantly optimizing for maximum return on ad spend. During your launch phase, the AI typically focuses on aggressive keyword conquest to establish ranking and visibility. As your organic ranking improves, it gradually shifts strategy towards profitability and defending your position against competitors. This dynamic evolution is something manual management simply can't replicate, even for the most dedicated seller. For new products specifically, advanced AI systems can implement what's called a blitz strategy, identifying and dominating the most convertible keywords in your niche during the crucial first 2 weeks, then systematically expanding to broader terms as your listing gains authority. Step 6. Use AI for review analysis and management. AI is also completely transforming how sellers handle product reviews and customer feedback. This goes far beyond simple monitoring. Review management has traditionally been reactive, waiting for negative reviews and then trying to address them. AI-powered review systems like FeedbackWiz, Review Insights AI, and Helium 10's Review Downloader with AI integration take a proactive approach. Advanced AI review management systems can monitor all your reviews in real time across all marketplaces and variations. This enables them to instantly alert you to negative feedback that requires immediate attention. Tools can perform comprehensive sentiment analysis that goes beyond star ratings to identify exactly what customers love or dislike about your product. The AI doesn't just count mentions of issues, it understands context and emotional intensity. They can automatically categorize feedback into actionable buckets like product quality, packaging issues, shipping concerns, ease of use, and more, with detailed subcategories for each. Identify emerging issues before they become trends. For example, if 3 customers mention a similar problem within short time frame, the AI flags this as a potential quality control issue that needs investigation. You're able to compare your review sentiment patterns against top competitors to identify competitive advantages and weaknesses. The AI can tell you precisely which product features are outperforming the competition and which need improvement. Using AI tools can help you analyze review velocity and patterns to detect unusual activity that might indicate competitor sabotage or even fake reviews. They can also automatically draft personalized responses to reviews based on the specific issues mentioned, which you can then review and customize before posting. For product launches specifically, AI review analysis is invaluable for quickly identifying and addressing any issues before they can derail your momentum. The system can help you determine if negative reviews stem from product issues, shipping problems, or customer expectations, allowing you to implement the right fix immediately. Step 7. Implement AI inventory forecasting. Finally, let's talk about AI inventory forecasting, an aspect of Amazon selling that can make or break your launch success. Running out of stock after a successful launch can be devastating to your ranking, while excess inventory ties up capital and incurs storage fees. Traditional inventory management relies on basic sales history and simple calculations. Today's AI inventory systems like Forecast Forge, Inventory Lab AI, and Amazon's own machine learning forecasting tools operate on an entirely different level of sophistication. Here's how AI can transform inventory management for your Amazon product launch. AI can create highly accurate sales projections by analyzing not just your historical data, but broader category trends, market seasonality, and even external factors like weather patterns and upcoming holidays. They can predict demand curves specifically for new product launches based on data from thousands of similar product introductions in your category. It calculates precise reorder points that account for manufacturer lead times, quality control periods, shipping delays, and Amazon's own receiving process timelines. AI tools can develop adaptive inventory models that automatically adjust based on real-time performance during your launch, recalibrating forecasts daily as new sales data comes in. They are super valuable for estimating exactly how much inventory you need for special events like Prime Day, Black Friday, or category-specific seasonal spikes, with confidence intervals showing best and worst case scenarios. These tools can analyze the financial impact of different inventory strategies, balancing the risk of stockouts against storage costs to maximize your overall profitability. For example, let's say you're launching a new beach toy in April. The AI forecasting system might tell you the following. You will need 1,200 units to cover the initial launch phase. Inventory should be increased to 3,500 units by early June to prepare for summer demand. Based on category data, you should expect a 35% drop in demand after August 15th. Based on your specific product's margin structure, the optimal safety stock level is 22 days of inventory. For your product launch specifically, AI can create a phased inventory strategy that aligns perfectly with your marketing and PPC plans. It ensures you have exactly the right amount of inventory at each stage, from initial launch through scaling and eventual steady-state operations, maximizing your capital efficiency while protecting your hard-earned ranking. So this is how you can use AI to launch your product on Amazon in 2025. These powerful AI tools handle everything from listing creation to pricing, from PPC management to inventory forecasting, giving you a massive competitive advantage. What used to take weeks of manual work can now be accomplished in hours or even minutes with greater precision and effectiveness than ever before. The sellers who embrace these AI technologies will be the ones who dominate their categories and build sustainable, profitable businesses on Amazon. Start implementing these AI strategies today. Even if you just focus on one area at a time, your future self will thank you for deciding to work smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in more hot takes on Amazon, hit the subscribe button.